Hotel maintenance. All right, guys, in this unit, I have a call for no power, and also a defective tub drain. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is, not sure if this thing is bad or if we wanna go ahead and swap it out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get an extra one just in case. So let's go ahead and figure out the power problem. Securely lock the door. Find your electrical room. All right, once you're inside of your electrical room, find the panel and the actual breaker that coordinates with that room. Let's see here. All right. And a lot of times if these things are not labeled right, you can kind of go up the row and see, and already it's sticking out. I got 19, it's not in its place. You want to go over here, that room was 318, 19, 19. You want to swip it, flop it back over. All right, guys, I mean, if you're in the same field, you're dealing with these hotels, or you're dealing with commercial property that has a lot of rooms and a lot of different units, could be a hotel, could be a nursing facility, any kind of facility that has multiple units, you want to go ahead and find your breaker box when that happens. I'm going to go ahead and check the lights, make sure the lights are on before we go get them a new shower tub drain. All right. That's what you want to see. All right, let's go ahead and get them a tub drain. Just going to get them a brand new one and cancel out this work order here. Guys, we're going to go ahead and shoot downstairs. We're going to pick us up another tub stopper. Jump on this service elevator. Make it happen. All right, guys, so for the most part, this is what your day-to-day experience is going to look like when you're dealing with these hotels, you know what I mean? A lot of work, a lot of preventative maintenance rooms. Do a good job at what you do. Enjoy your craft. Make a lot of money and stay out the way, you know what I mean? All right, guys. Waiting to get down to the landing floor. We're going to get us a tub drain, close this work order out. I got one more I'm going to take you guys along with. It's the refrigerator. Be consistent. Very quick and thorough with the customers as soon as the work order comes up, and I mean, you'll do good in this field, man. You'll do great. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and find this tub stopper so we can go ahead and close this work order out. So we keep our selection of them up here. I'm gonna just go ahead and grab one of each, just to figure out which one I want to swap it with. So, I think I got one more style over here. Oh, they're about the same. All right, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to try to find any more either or. Let's go ahead and figure this out. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that as well. All right, guys, we're back at the room with the tub drains.
Ain't nobody got time for all that. If you know what I mean. Cancel that problem out immediately. See, sometimes these things do act up. And no, don't nobody have time for that, man. Alright, that's a wrap. So typically after that, I just get on my app. Depending on how your work orders come through, whether they're just verbal, verbatim, or through digital, through an application. I'm going to clear this room off. Go ahead and shoot down to the second floor, get this refrigerator, get this maintenance request out of the way, and we'll shoot back there and work on that paver job on live. All right, guys.